Hello again, I'm Jason with Real Inside Sales Talk with Mark and Jason, and welcome to another segment of Real Inside Sales Talk tips and tricks. Today I'm going to talk about three simple concepts. And the first concept is in our sales process, we want to get our client to have a sense of urgency. And a sense of urgency, the way you get them to, I need to buy this now, I need to buy this today, is urgency is the client's pain. Whatever pain it is, whether they, need a home as soon as possible, whether they need a car today, whether they need a dryer today, whatever it is that they're wanting for, what is their pain? What is it that you can touch on them to get them in that mode to buy today, to buy now, to say yes to you that much quicker. The second thing that you need to demonstrate of these concepts is value. And value to the potential client equals money. How much do I have to pay for this? If I buy it today, is it going to go up in price 6 months from now? If I don't buy today, is it going to go up in price 6 months from now? Is it going to hold its value 6 months, 5 years, 10 years from now? Am I going to want to resell this product a year down the road, 2 years down the road? Is the investment that I'm making going to last? The money. It's important. That's the other most important thing to a client is how much money I'm spending on this and that I'm getting the value that's worth the money that I'm paying for this particular product. And so you have to demonstrate that. You have to demonstrate that, yes, right now, this house is, way below its asking price, or two, this car, it's the end of the year, the price has been dropped because of this, or we are packaging so much, this is a one-time offer. If you don't act on this offer now, the price is going to go up in 6 months. And then finally, the last concept that you want to instill, impart to your buyers, is excitement. And excitement on the part of your client is their need for it. Do they need it? They need it today. They need it now. They need it as soon as possible. When you know that you get them excited about it, they're seeing themselves inside the product. So, oh, it'd be great. You can have your office in this room, or oh, it'd be great. I finally have my own den, or it's great. I finally have a yard I can mow that's mine, or oh, great. I don't have to listen to the people upstairs walking anymore. Or, oh, great. This car is going to get better gas mileage than my old car. Going to be more dependable, more reliable. When they start telling you those things and you get them excited about that fact, then you need to close them. Once they start visualizing themselves inside that vehicle, that is a buy signal, that is a closing signal. So close them. So take them through this process. You may have to do this 3 or 4 times. You may have to hit on these things. Their pain, the money, the need for it, the urgency, the value, and the excitement. You take them through this little trail, you instill these 3 concepts onto your client, onto the potential buyer, getting them to act urgently, understanding that they need to act on this now. They see the value is worth the price that they're paying for this, and that they're excited to buy this product. Take them through that, and then close the deal. It's been Real Inside Sales Talk, Mark and Jason, tips and tricks. Stay tuned, check us out on YouTube, check us out at our website, realinsidesalestalk.com. Thank you for watching.